Revital EP, even and perfect, that as all other products carrying the EP sign stands for even and perfect. Revital EP contains 2% of a really mega intense whitening peptide. The problem with these peptides is that they really have problems to penetrate to the layers where they really need to be. And that is why BDR invented a very new and very posh, very modern carrier system that binds those peptides and bring them like a carrier into the depth of the epidermal layer, exactly there where the peptides will prohibit the release of pigment building and pigment into the pigment carrying cells. So in the end, Reaction EP is the third product of the EP series beside Reaction EP and Brilliant EP. And it finalizes the logical, you could say the triad or the holy trinity of products in the fight of cloasma, melasma, age spots, and all sorts of mispigmentations, especially hyperpigmentations. Revital EP is a very soft and smooth texture. It is softer and lighter, or it feels lighter than the other Revital products, whereas Revital feels very rich and creamy. Revital PH feels more soft and light, but still in a nice fluid form. Revital EP seems to be very light, but still it is rich and it nourishes even dry skin to the perfect mode and to the perfect point where it needs to be. Revital EP is used daily twice for those people who suffer from age spots, melasma, cloasma, and all sorts of pigmentations. And it perfectly finalizes the treatment with the other two EP products. Have fun with it.